Welcome to Spellbinders April 2026 Small Die of the Month, Pansy Seed Company. Let's look at the dies included in this kit. These create a big and a small pansy flowers. These create a side pansy. This die cuts a border. And these dies create a plant pot. Let's assemble these pieces. Die cut the flower layers from colored cardstock. We used Fairy Tale, Lilac, Saffron, and brushed black color wheel cardstock. Ink blend with Hero Arts ink and Spellbinders mini blending brushes to add shading. Shape the petals with your fingers and assemble them using glue. Also adhere the pot layers together. When adhering the soil layer, only add glue to the top so that you'll be able to slide the plants down the pot. Add shading with brown ink. And this is how you can add flowers to your pot. Now let's make a card. Cut brushed black cardstock panel to 3.5 by 8.5 inches to make a slimline card. Fill the background in with flowers and leaves. Adhere each piece one by one using black foam adhesive. Once done, adhere this slimline panel to a slimline card base created from black cardstock. Add a happy birthday sentiment created using Press and Foil Club for April 2026 and fill the gaps in with pretty gems. And enjoy! Thank you for joining Spellbinders Clubs. Have fun creating!